Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, parking sensors, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love the 2019 Optima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, MP3 player, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.